Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Today, I'm going to teach you how you can change the font size of your product title in your Shopify DWELL theme. All right. So if you're using the DWELL theme and you've been wondering, Maverick, how can I go ahead and change the product title font size? I'm going to go about and teach you how you can do that in this video tutorial. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta! Okay. So to do that, what we want to do is to come here to your online store. You want to come to themes. Okay. And you're going to scroll down. And I'm sure you have your DWELL theme installed. It should possibly be your default theme, all right? But anyway, it's all good. So you want to come here to DWELL and you want to click on Edit Theme or Customize, whichever one is showing at your hand. You want to click on Edit Theme or Customize. So you want to click on that. And once you have that, I'm sure yours will be as beautiful as this. This is just the default theme. So right there, we'll come here. You can see the top here. Click that. Click on the drop down. Then click on Products, okay? And you're going to click on Default Products, okay? And yep, so right here is the title, okay, which is the font size. Okay, you can see the font size here. I'm also going to teach how you can change the font. Okay, so what you want to do is just to click on that. All right, click that. Or if it's not working here, because sometimes there are a lot of glitches when it comes to this, you can just come here, come to this product information. Okay, click on the drop down. You see under details, you see the title. So you want to double click that again, and it's gonna show. All right, so just like this. So the next thing you want to do is just to change it, come to preset, okay, typography, come to preset and click on headline 4, whichever one you want to do. Just keep changing it and you're good to go. All right, and maybe you want to use a custom font size, something like a pixel instead of having a line 1 and line 2. So you can just click on size, like click on custom, okay, then click on the size. Then you can keep changing, okay. You can change to pixel 20 pixels or 24 or whichever one, 56 pixel. So you can see that's how you go about it. It's as simple as that, right? And if you want to change the font, okay, maybe you don't like this font, you want to change the font. It's very simple. Just go to your theme settings, okay. Actually, we have body here. Let me see the subheading. Okay, same thing. Okay, so we have body here. Body is the font they use. So in case you're wondering what does body mean, what's all this? Okay, how you can do that is you go to your theme settings, okay, click here. All right, especially if you're using custom, you're gonna see these. Wait, if you're using subheading, oh, it's also gonna be there. Okay, cool. Let me change that. All right, good. So you click on theme settings, or you can come here to this theme settings here, come to typography. All right. And right here, you can see font. Okay. So what you want to do, the font is newsreader. So we are using body. Okay. Because body is the font there. So these are the fonts. Okay. So you can change it to subheading, heading, accent. Okay. But body is the font being used there. So I want to change the body here. Okay. So the body, this body, we want to change the font for it. All right. But sometimes, because body might actually be what the body actually means, all this kind of font here, okay, the font for this. So possibly we have to change this to like heading. So I want to use heading. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first go back to this title. So I don't want to use bodies, because if I use body, it might actually affect other ones. Okay. So sometimes it happens like that. Then I'm going to come back, double click. So I'm going to change this to heading. All right. Then once I change it to heading, I'm not going to go back. Okay. Then to this typography, then I'm going to use heading. All right. So I'm going to say newsletter instead of newsreader. I'm going to change it to whatever font, okay, that I want. So maybe I want to use Achievo Black. You see that it's gonna, you see, it's already make effect. All right. So this is how you go about that. So whatever it is you want to do, you can easily just change it bigger. Okay. You can change it to bigger also, and it shows. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and select, and I'm good to go. All right. But I didn't mean maybe I didn't change it to heading over there. Okay. But if I didn't change it to heading here, all right. If I didn't change it to heading here, oh, sorry. If I didn't change it to heading here and I just leave it as body and I went to change this heading here, it's still not going to reflect. Okay. So body is newsreader. So I just hope you get how it works. All right. So it's as simple as that. So, and you just play around it, you're actually going to get it. Okay. And listen attentively to the video. Thank you very much. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, please make sure that you smash the red subscribe button. It's helpful to keep creating video tutorials like this for you guys, and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials right here on this channel. And I wish you the best of luck, peace, and have a nice day. Bye.